Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1268, and today's topic is again related to immune system, and here the topic is gut plays crucial role in immune function. And here let me quote the experience and advice of Hippocrates some 2000 years ago. Then again Avicenna 1000 years ago in 1030. Hippocrates and Avicenna, they all mentioned, which is very important even today, that every problem, health issue, starts from gut, digestive system, from stomach. Some 2000 years ago they already mentioned this thing. And today now, after a lot of extensive and expensive research, we have concluded that really what they said some 2000 or 1000 years ago is still valid, is correct. The reason is that your immune system, your chronic inflammation is controlled by your gut microbes, gut bacteria. What is gut? Gut is nothing but your large intestine. And this, your large intestine, is playing very important role on the basis of your lifestyle. What type of food you are giving to your gut bacteria, those which are beneficial. Positive bacteria, there are two types of bacteria in our gut. One is negative, one is positive. Negative one is bringing chronic inflammation. Positive one is neutralizing the inflammation. And they are taking care of your all gut health, healthy gut. And once you have healthy gut, you are drastically reducing the chance of chronic inflammation. So your 80% inflammation is controlled by your gut. This is the latest research. And lot of different type of microbes are there. I am going to give one by one, which are found in food. And there are two type of food. I am not talking of commercial lot of supplements. One is prebiotic, other one is probiotic. Prebiotic means such type of food, vegetable or fruit, they are going to help your your gut bacteria to get good food and become healthy. Such type of food is called prebiotic. And probiotic food means you are adding live bacteria, microbes like yeast, fermented food, yogurt. So these simple natural plant sources, fruit, yogurt and some other fermented products, they are probiotic. If you start taking all these things carefully, prebiotic and probiotic, you can maintain the microbes of your gut and you can be free of chronic inflammation. Your 80-90% chronic inflammation can be maintained because of your gut microbes. So I am going to give all those microbes and their function. And again here, one very important factor of losing our immune system is if we have leakage of gut. That is called gut leakage. That I will be discussing in the next lecture because itself is a very important area to understand the meaning of gut leakage. Means your gut lining becomes very, very thin and poor, so that it is having permeability. Means it will allow a lot of toxin and bad food particles to pass through it. That will be a different topic. But here, let me discuss all those different type of bacteria. So it's very clear picture in this image. That is your gut. Is your large intestine, long one, is clear picture is there, and in that circle, that is bluish, light bluish circle, all the microbes are there and how they are playing the important role in your immune system. This is the color picture of your gut, that is large intestine, and around that how it is under the grip of different variety of microorganisms, that is called gut bacteria, and how they play important role in the function of immune system. So here I have given in the form of summary, very important for your gut health, to get rid of inflammation or chronic inflammation. And number one, Hippocrates, that they were some 2000 years ago, and they are the ancient Greek physicians, traditionally regarded as the father of medicine. So those who were philosopher and very good in medicine some 2000 years ago in Greek, they were called Hippocrates. Number two, Ibn Sina. Ibn Sina in Western English media is commonly known as Avicenna, and his book is Canon of Medicine. He has given lot of health related issue and discussed different variety of medicines, and was physician and philosopher of Muslim world, and he was in the up to year 2030, and to my knowledge he passed away in the year 1035, and that was, I think his grave is there in Iran. Golden age of Muslim, it was the golden age of Muslim era in medicine and all chemistry and science, alchemy, all those people they work around that time, and Baghdad, Egypt, that is Cairo, was the center of learning of lot of scientific discovery and researches. So according to them, all diseases starts from gut. They mentioned this thing some 2000, 1000 years ago, and today in the year 2024, it is true that 80% immune system is present in our gut, that is called large intestine, and it is gut microbes. They play a very important role to protect you from chronic inflammation and maintains a strong immune system. So your protection from chronic inflammation, maintaining very good immune system goes to your healthy gut. And if I say healthy gut, means healthy gut bacteria, friendly gut bacteria, you have to keep them healthy. Number two, gut beneficial microbes produce positive chemicals and also inflammatory cells. And these positive chemicals and inflammatory cells, they are ready to fight and drastically reduce inflammation and chronic inflammation. And this determines your aging process also. If you are aging very quickly, it clearly indicates that you are having leaky gut and your gut bacteria, they are not healthy and their function is not proper. That's why in early age you start getting poor skin appearance, your fatigue, your energy, back pain, abdominal pain is all related to chronic inflammation you are suffering because your gut is not playing important role. Process, and so it is very important to take care of your gut microbes. Your gut health means gut microbes, beneficial bacteria, by taking pre and probiotic foods. So here I have given some important microbes which are beneficial, or we can call them, that is positive bacteria, and they maintain our healthy microbes in our gut. So important gut microbes which are beneficial. Number one, lactic acid producer. Those microbes which are producing lactic acid in our gut, that is called L. acidophilus, and these microbes support digestion, immune system, and also they produce vitamins. Very important microbe to produce the lactic acid. Number two, Lactobacillus rhamnus, that is called L. rhamnosus, and it enhances gut bacteria function and drastically reduce inflammation. So this bacteria which is there, if it is healthy, it will drastically reduce inflammation, even chronic inflammation. Number three, Lactobacillus plantum, that is L. plantum. This microbe is responsible for fermentation of fiber and then produce antioxidants to scavenge or to destroy, or in other words, to neutralize the free radicals which are produced during oxidation process of the fat. So that is very important beneficial microbe, that is Lactobacillus plantum. The fourth one is bifidobacterium, that is B. bifidum. So this bifidum, this microbe is very important for infant gut. So where your infant is not having this bifidobacterium friendly beneficial bacteria, your infant, small child, maybe 2-3 month old, 1 year old, will be always having the problem of indigestion, because if this bacteria is enough in the intestine, in large intestine or gut of infant, it will drastically improve the gut health of infant, and it will help to develop and in growth of the infant digestive system and gut. B. The foods rich in beneficial microbes. There are foods which are rich source of these positive microbes, and they are in the form of prebiotic or probiotic. So I have already told you about pre and probiotic. Number one, yogurt. Yogurt contains L. acidophilus bacteria, and yogurt is a very good probiotic. Then fermented cheese, that is L. acidophilus, is also probiotic. It is going to add lot of positive bacteria to your gut. And then consume prebiotic foods like banana, onions. There are a lot of fruit and vegetables. They are prebiotic, means if you eat them, they are going to supply very good food to your gut bacteria, and they will be very healthy and strong. So onion, banana, this watermelon, melons, they are very good prebiotic in natural form. Then get enough sleep. If you are not compromising your sleep, your inflammation, chronic inflammation is drastically reduced. And I call it, sleep means your hardware battery is recharged for your mental work. Mental is your software. 800 gram spongy protein mass is your brain. So brain is just like battery. Whole day if it is working, thinking, imagination, lot of problem solving, it's all mental work, software. Your battery is exhausted. Once you take 8 hours sound sleep, your battery hardware is recharged for work for another 10 hours. Sound sleep is very important. Don't compromise. Then stay always hydrated. I am always telling, especially in this part of Nigeria, northern part, Borno, Bauchi, Kano, where there is a dry season in April or May, Please always go with bottle of water and always drink. Always be hydrated. Water is medicine. Your lot of problem starts from dehydration, organ failure, unconsciousness, fatigue, all are related to your water content in your body. So please drink enough water. Then avoid antibiotics unless it is very necessary. So in the last but not least, if you want to live healthy life, longer life, above the age of 90 or 100, please maintain your healthy gut so that your chronic inflammation is drastically reduced. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.